So China is going to do a deal with Trump. There is already communication between those two parties. As much as China wants to save face, it does understand that its economy is sinking. If you look at the industrial PMI coming out, the manufacturing PMI that came out in China, that was lower than expected. So China could fall into a recession. Meanwhile, if you look at the US, GDP came in quarter on quarter at minus 0.3%. Now, is that a follow-on from the Biden-Harris debacle of running the economy, or is that the actual Trump impact? Well, it could be. Meanwhile, as far as Trump is concerned, he's looking to do deals with other countries. And the rumor has it that about 17 countries are willing to do a deal. Even Mark Carney, the new Prime Minister of Canada, the ex-Bank of England governor, is looking to do a deal with Trump. All the countries realize that without a deal, the economies are going to fail. So how does that bear on financial markets? How does that bear on gold, silver, Bitcoin, etc.? So let's have a little bit of a bit more analysis on those particular assets. So as far as gold is concerned, I've stated clearly on social media that you could see gold go all the way to $7,000 an ounce in 2 years to 2.5 years' time. Why? Because of the fundamentals of gold moving away from fiat currencies, concerns about inflation, concerns about confidence, and central banks buying huge amounts of gold. China is setting up the Shanghai Gold Exchange. Silver also, once it breaks out above the 3450 level, will move up because it's used in industry. Things like solar panels and solar panel companies are going to be doing very well over the next few years. Looking at Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin is on the verge of a breakout. And when that breakout happens, it is going to go to around about $110,000 to $120,000 a coin, especially if Trump comes on and backs the US dollar with Bitcoin. Meanwhile, if you go back to gold, there are rumors that Trump wants to back the US currency with gold, but it looks like China may beat him to the post because China is acquiring huge amounts of gold. So overall, when you're looking at financial markets and the impact of where the trade war is going to have on those financial markets, it's all in the price at the moment, unless Trump comes out with another wacky statement that frightens markets. We'll be running a webinar on Sunday, the 4th of May, discussing all this Trump versus China. If you want to get on board, DM the word webinar.